Next, we will discuss how to use the integration tables. What is an integration table? In literature, one can easily find many tables for a variety of integrals, which cover a wide range of frequently and not so frequently used functions. Navigating such tables in search of the desired formula is a skill and requires some practice. But let's consider just a few examples to get the idea of how the tables are used. Let's integrate the following function. In the table of integrals, we find the formula for integrating such a function. By analyzing the template, we determine the values of the parameters and plug them into the formula to produce the general antiderivative. Let's do another example. In the table of integrals, we find the formula for integrating such a function. By analyzing the template, we determine the values of the parameters and plug them into the formula to produce the general antiderivative and simplify it. Let's integrate one more function. Again, in the table of integrals, we find the formula for integrating such a function, and by analyzing the template, we determine the values of the parameters and plug them into the formula to produce the general antiderivative, and then we simplify it. Note that the answer that you get from using the table of integrals may not be in exactly the same format as the one obtained analytically by hand. Once we know how to find the indefinite integral for a given function, we automatically know how to find any definite integral. Let's add the limits of integration to the previous example. We're going to use the previously obtained general antiderivative and use the fundamental theorem of calculus. After plugging in the upper and lower limits and simplifying, we get the final answer. We discussed and practiced the use of integration tables that cover a variety of functions.